Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 15th day of April 2026. And the setup is as follows. We had a big news candle um, right here at the top of the hour. And then we get this really nice strong candle indicator right in the middle. A lot of times when you have news candles, then you have a large spike. The market will try to fill in that spike, and that's exactly what's happening here. And we get that strong candle indicator right there. So we just need to see a little bit of red. We'll put our order on the body of the candle and we'll go long. And then we say, well, what kind of targets are we looking at? Well, since the news came out, we look like the candles are going to average around between 100 to 120 ticks in length. So we'll go over here to our ATM and we'll go for our 20s, 50s, and 100s. So we'll de-risk the trade at 20s, go for 50 and 100 tick runners. So here's how it all went down in the live trading room this afternoon. Go ahead and put the order on now. And there's the little bit of red we were looking for. If it goes further, we'll just drop it down further. And here we are. We just wait to get picked up. We got to put our stop where it belongs. So initially, it's a pretty good amount of risk. And now we just sit and wait. Now, all of our targets are set, so we can speed it up a little bit. Notice what happens when our first target's taken out at 20 ticks. We're going to de-risk the trade entirely and go for our runners. All right, so see, we got 20s. We de-risked the trade. We have no risk left, and now we just sit here all nice and relaxed and wait and see if we can catch our runners. So 20s and 50s are out. We cannot lose money on this trade. We can only make money. We are 90 ticks ahead, and we have a minus 18 on one less target. So I think this is going to take a couple different candles if I remember properly. I don't think it quite gets there. Maybe it does. Perhaps it does get to hundreds right off the bat. There we go. Boom. That trade took less than 4 minutes to complete and was worth 980 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 980 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator, which makes trading very, very simple. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.